The European currencies opened a new trading session with a rise. Traders are pricing in the possibility of a key interest rate hike by the European Central Bank. At the next meeting, which will take place on September 8, the ECB may raise the benchmark rate by 50 or even 75 basis points. What's more, trader sentiment improved amid macroeconomic news. Data on the UK lending market boosted both the pound sterling and the euro. The fact is that the number of mortgage approvals increased by 63,770 compared to 63,726 in the previous months. Economists had expected a decline to 62,900. In addition, the UK mortgage lending advanced by £5.1 billion, whereas analysts had expected a rise of £4.7 billion. The US dollar may decline even more by the end of the day amid a drop in the US house price index. The indicator is expected to slide to 17.5% from 18.3% in the previous period. Although the house price index does not have a direct influence on inflation, it still points to a slower rise in consumer prices. That's why investors are entertaining hopes that the Fed will change its stance. On the trading chart, we see that the euro-dollar pair opened a new trading week with a rebound towards the parity level. The trading activity was so high that the pair showed an inertial movement of about 90 pips. Although the price is changing, it's still hovering within the weekly channel of a 0.9900 and 1.0050. To change the market situation that has caused a fully-fledged movement, the quote should settle beyond either pivot point, at least on the 4-hour chart. The pair will start rising if it consolidates above 1.0050 on the 4-hour chart. A downward scenario will become possible if the price settles below 0.9900 in the same time frame. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair slumped to 1.1650, where the volume of short positions declined, thus causing a technical rebound. Traders started buying the pound sterling thanks to its possible correlation with the euro. Notably, yesterday the euro significantly gained in value. The rebound returned to the pound-dollar pair to the earlier broken level of 1.1750. After that, the upward movement began slackening. If the quote consolidates above 1.1780, at least on the 4-hour chart, the volume of long positions may increase, thus pushing the price higher. Otherwise, the pair will stop gaining in value and may even bounce from 1.1750. And in this case, the pair is likely to hit a new local low. And that's all for now. We continue to learn developments on financial markets. Subscribe to our channel and follow news with us. See you soon.